Alright everyone, we are here at the Magic Clean Car Wash and Detail, and we are going to see if we can get a walkthrough of their tunnel, and then we'll go through it. So I'll see you guys in just a second. Okay, here's the entrance sensor. Here's the pre-soak. Here's your quick clean RM510 front to back mirror. Some Superflex wraps. This is some really old MacNeil. Here's your MacNeil Magnum. Here's the MacNeil Van Hise. Here's the serial plate. Under chassis wash, it says right there. And then we got an RM520 side-to-side bidder and triple foam. Some rockers, some rinses, says sealer wax, and then the dryers. So now let's go through it.
How many trucks are detailed with details? Just a little bit more.
No, a little bit more.
That's good. Put it in neutral. Are these electric?
Okay, so what did you think of that one?
This place is like a hidden gem. I didn't even know it existed, and evidently it's like a full service detail interior exterior thing.
They can even do ceramic coatings.
Yeah, they did a great job, and they hand dried it to perfection. Like,
Oh, I didn't get that on camera.
yeah, sorry about that. I would say this place is a 10 out of 10.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah.
An oldie but a goodie, you could say.
Well, and that tunnel, they said evidently, normally one of their guys, like what you do is you pull up, you go inside, you pay, and you leave your car, and their guy will take it through the tunnel and through whatever else detailing needs to be done. So it's kind of cool. It's like a drop off your car, full service place.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's definitely a great wash. I would say, yeah, probably a 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
So yeah, that is the old MacNeil tunnel at the Magic Clean Car Wash and Detail in West Jordan. Thank you guys for watching, and happy washing.